Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alfian Dibin Shaiful, and today I'm going to present about design of acoustic and lighting of Dewan Sri Alunan Musical Hall. For the company profile, let me introduce PR Hash Consultant, which is PR Hussein Consultant. PR Hussein Consultant Limited was created in 2017 and is a Malaysian pioneering sustainability and environmental consulting company aimed at providing our customer with on-demand one-step service covering 5 different areas: green and healthy construction, acoustic, audiovisual, lighting and theatre planning, environmental consultancy, and sustainable design and green finance. Our project include public and private buildings, commercial buildings, office squares, data centers, and multi-user buildings, and public use buildings, and infrastructure and including academic buildings, government buildings, and the local refrigeration system, football pitch, the public boutique, public bibliothèque, public transport, hospital, swimming pool, and others. Our customers include developers, owners, and properties, government entities, and public bodies, architects, designers, and contractors. Our relationship with our customer is robust and long-term. For the expert profile, we are focusing more on acoustic design and lighting design. In acoustic design, this applies to all settings, not only those which primarily associate with sound quality. PR Hussein Consultant has given a solution to ensure the sound quality of concert and lecture venues, the privacy of noise insulation for homes and office. PR Hussein Consultant owns an acoustic team that has extensive project experience and a variety of talents, such as simulation, computing, and design to navigate these science. For the lighting design, PR Hussein Consultant offer a comprehensive lighting design solution for early strategic guidance and designs to building on-site assistant. For the company organization, PR Hussein Consultant is directed by Megat Muhammad Zaharuddin bin Azman and divided into several departments. Here we are focusing on acoustic department and lighting department. In acoustic department, Vidat Shamila binti Samsudin is an acoustic manager and working together with acoustic engineer James Wulasali. In a lighting manager, Nur Khalisa binti Arif and lighting engineers Alfian Dibin Shaiful. And another project manager is Muhammad Shakil bin Abdul Rahman.
Reverberation time is a measure of a room's acoustic characteristics equivalent to the time it takes for a sound's intensity to drop by 60 decibels. This project will analyze the reverberation time and reverberant sound field of a newly built musical hall in Madini, Johor. The reverberation time of a room is calculated by the Sabin's equation created by Wallace Clement Sabin, who is considered as the father of architectural acoustic. And then we calculate for the before proposed sound absorption, and we got the reverberation time, which is equals to 24.7 per second, which that is not suitable for music hall, so need to add more absorption material. Hence, we have calculated the after proposed sound absorption, which we propose acoustic shielding, which have the surface area of 975 meter area square and sound absorption of 0.5 the value, and also we propose the rock wool. And we got the reverberation time is 1.86 seconds, and which is value is in range in 1.5 to 2.5 seconds, which we believe that it is suitable for a good music hall.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shamila binti Samsudin and my metric number is CF180192. Today I will present about room mode. What is a room mode? A room mode is a resonance frequency that occurs within a room that corresponds to certain dimension within that room. Room mode can caused by sounds reflecting of various room surface. There are 3 types of room mode, which include axial, tangential, and oblique. So for axial mode, it is the strongest and many times that's always been used and only one that are considered. While for tangentials and oblique, they have a same characteristic which have a less impact per mode but are also more prevalent. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and greetings. My name is Muhammad Shakil bin Abdul Rahman. I'm going to be presenting the proposal for acoustic improvement of our project. For stage performance purposes that implements music and loud noises, it is essential for the sound details to reach the audience without any restrictions. To achieve this, the following must be considered: soundproofing materials of furniture, shape and size of the room, equipment and furniture placement. Acoustic absorbers play a significant role in determining the reverberation time of the room. The choice of material for our project is rock wool and plasterboard. According to the design, the reverberation time is 1.9 seconds. This is achieved by the addition of acoustic absorbers that lowers the reverberation time of the original 24.7 seconds. The rock wool acoustic absorber is applied on all four sides and the plasterboard on the ceiling. Therefore, this space is suitable to be categorized as multipurpose auditorium hall after the acoustic improvement made.
Hello, I'm James Ulesali and I'm going to present about the proposed lighting of our project. There are two types of lighting that we are going to use for this musical hall, which is ambient lighting and the task lighting. The objective of the ambient lighting is to light up the entire hall. This is to maintain a safe and smooth traffic and provide the view of the hall. We are going to use tungsten filament lamp for ambient lighting. Next is for the task lighting. This is to light up the performer on the stage. A brighter light is required to light up the performance. The type of lamp we are going to use is the tungsten filament lamp.
Assalamualaikum, and a very good day to Dr. Emilia and all my friends. So my name is Mugat Muhammad Zaharuddin. So I will present about the lighting cost analysis for short and long term. So as you can see, this is the layout of the hall, which contains the main hall and performing stage. So this is the detail of the required for calculation. So we will use tungsten filament lamp for performing stage while tungsten halogen lamp for main hall. So this is the calculation detail for the performing stage. The calculation is actually the same, just different in the information given for performing stage and main hall. This is the short and long term for performing stage. So this is the calculation for main hall, and this is the short and long term for the calculation of the main hall. So that's all from me. Next, thank you.
In conclusion, our assessment and data collecting can lead to the conclusion that the main acoustic component employed in a sound field control are sound absorbers. The role of the sound absorber is to reduce sound level controls and reverberation. It is primarily to retain and distribute the sound energy. Art and music room need a lighting to enhance visual activities and set the right tones. In most scenarios, a minimum lighting of 600 lux is suggested. Luminaries with an indirect aspect are used in the music room to prevent shadows and lighting. As musicians often wander around, the lighting performance must be the same wherever in the venue. Light causes a wave of attraction, and the mind is pulled to light without movement. This is the basis of stage lighting, which is also used by a modern lighting. In addition, for the outside hall, we apply PSALI system, which is harvesting daylight to ensure the energy efficiency. On daylight, the glass wall provides opening for natural light to illuminate the entire front area of the hall, including bar and waiting room. For the VIP lounge and toilet, we use ambient light to match the mood and the function of the room. For the store and the changing room, we use LED lighting system, which is low in watt and high in lux. This is to ensure the energy efficiency. For the walkway beside the hall, to the store and the back side of the hall, we provide walk guidance lights and also lighting system that have an automatic sensor to detect motion and make the energy efficiency more vulnerable and more eco-friendly. Thank you.